husband and I are having some friends over for a little Father's Day celebration. I've already set the table, and now I'll get the food ready. I have some chicken thighs marinating in some teriyaki sauce in the refrigerator. I'll leave these in here nice and cold until it's time to put them on the grill. We're setting everything out buffet style, and here I have some plates and some little bowls and some hot pads. This is where we're going to set up all of the food. The chicken will be here at the end, and then we'll have our potato dish and our corn. I'm going to get busy making the dessert in just a minute, but I already have the dessert plates out and a plate to set the desserts on. I even have the dessert forks here ready to go. Everything else is laid out here. I have my mashed potatoes, corn, can opener, and my spray that I'm going to put in my casserole dishes. I even have my hot water container here ready to go to make the mashed potatoes. For dessert, I have some butterfly crescent rolls, and I'm going to use dark chocolate chips to turn these into some wonderful, delicious chocolate croissants. I have my oven preheating to 375 degrees. I'm going to open this container of crescent rolls, and I'm going to roll them out on this baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I'm going to take the chocolate chips and put them all over the inside, and then I'm going to roll them up and get them ready to bake in the oven. These will take approximately 10 to 13 minutes to bake. I put the chips on, and I'm just going to press them into place so that way when I roll it up, all of the chips stay right where they need to be. And once you roll it, make sure you stick the little end to it really nicely so that it doesn't come unrolled. Once I get them rolled, I'm going to pinch the ends just a little bit to make sure that the chocolate doesn't pour out once it's melted. Now that our little croissants are all rolled up with the chocolate inside, it's time to get them to the oven to bake. I have the dark chocolate chips in a bowl, and I put a little bit of coconut oil in with them. I'm going to melt them in the microwave and stir them up. And this will be the drizzle that goes over our wonderful chocolate croissants. We'll put the chocolate chips in the microwave for about 15 seconds. I stirred them up, and now I'm going to put them back in for another 8 seconds. The chocolate is melted nicely, and now it's time to drizzle it on top of the little croissants. And here's how the wonderful, delicious little chocolate-filled croissants covered in chocolate turned out. They'll be absolutely delicious. We all enjoyed our meal so much. The wonderful buttery corn and loaded mashed potatoes with cheese and bacon and green onions on top, and the teriyaki marinated chicken. After dinner, we had so much fun playing this wonderful game, Connect 4, that was a gift from our son. And then we had our wonderful little dessert of the chocolate-filled croissants with the wonderful chocolate drizzle on top. It was the perfect ending to a wonderful, fun meal. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.